everybody, BTM here. Now if you have a Samsung S22 or S23 Ultra and you want to turn it into a MagSafe like device, I got something for you. Let's check it out. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 things that you can use to turn that into a MagSafe like accessory. The first thing we want to talk about is this ESR case. Now this case is made out of course polycarbonate. It has a ring on the inside for your MagSafe magnet to align to. It has very thick ridges on the outside to protect your camera. It has button covers that precisely match the buttons on the phone. On the bottom, you have your cutout for your stylus, for your speaker grill, and for your USB Type-C charging. Very generous cutouts. And on the top, you have a little cutout there for a microphone as well. It has reinforced corners on each side that gives it protection as well. And it feels very good and very grippable in your hand. Now you have this for either your S22 Ultra or your S23 Ultra. Now let's talk about the other thing, the ESR Wallet Stand case. Now not only is this a wallet, but it's a stand as well. It's made out of very nice leather, strong magnets on the back. You have a slot on the outside that you can put a card in. And you have 2 slots on the inside that you can place either money or card in these slots. It's very bendable, it's very sturdy, and it also has a metal ABS metal plate on the inside. Now, as far as the alignment is concerned, you take it and you place it on your phone, and you'll notice that it fits perfectly on the phone. And the magnet itself is pretty strong. Now the only negative would be if you want to use that camera, you wouldn't be able to use it this particular time. You have to take this off, but who would use it that way anyway? But other than that, I say that it's very nice, very stern, very stable. And not only can you use it as a wallet, but you can also use it as a stand, so you can view your movies. You can get it in just about any angle that you want. As you can see, it's very flexible. If you're looking to turn your Galaxy S22 series phone into a MagSafe like device, then this is the way to go. Not only does the case work well with your wallet, but if you had a MagSafe stand for your car, it works real well with that as well. So a link will be in the description below for all of these products. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to catch my next video when it drops. I'm Bertrand Tech Man. Thanks for watching. Now if you don't like this particular wallet here, you might like this one right here. So check out the review for this.